Travel cameras are compact and portable for capturing high-quality photos and videos while on the go. They typically feature a lightweight and durable design and a range of advanced features such as high-quality lenses, image stabilization, and fast autofocus. Travel cameras also come with features such as Wi-Fi and GPS. In this video, we break down the 5 best travel cameras in the market. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Sony Alpha VII-C. The Sony Alpha VII-C features in-body image stabilization, IBIS, and a vari-angle screen. The A7C is slightly larger than the crop sensor A6600 and much smaller than any other A7 series camera. It's the world's lightest full-frame camera at just 509 grams. With that tiny body, it is easier to carry around than the A7 III and more discreet for tourist and street photography. Sony's best full-frame FE lenses are heavy, bar a few, like the 30mm f/2.0 model and the new 28-60mm f/3.5-5.6 kit lens. Also, to keep that body so small and light, the A7C lacks a front dial, joystick, and other manual controls. However, if you're after your travel photos' best possible image quality, the Alpha VII-C's high-resolution full-frame sensor will get you there. The camera also has a fantastic battery life and sturdy, weather-sealed construction that can put up with heavy use in more adverse conditions. It checks all the boxes for a high-quality travel photography camera. Number 2. Fujifilm X-S10. The Fujifilm X-S10 has been designed to provide on-the-go photographers with maximum control. Its deep hand grip affords solid, confident handling with any lens attached, while the intuitive controls ensure effortless operation, no matter what camera system you are used to. With the state-of-the-art X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X processor for combination, it is easy to create astounding results. The 26.1 megapixel backside illuminated sensor offers a wide dynamic range and incredible image quality. At the same time, the quad-core CPU not only provides precision autofocus at speeds of up to 0.02 seconds and in light levels as low as -6 eV. This camera allows you to record in cinema-quality DCI 4K/30p and super slow motion Full HD/240p. When you combine the 5-axis IBIS with a 4-axis digital image stabilization feature, you can always be confident that you will get incredibly smooth footage. Number 3. Sony RX100 VII. The Sony RX100 VII is 4 inches wide, 2.3 inches tall, and 1.7 inches thick, so it will easily fit in any jacket pocket and maybe even some jeans if they're not too skinny. It has a 1-inch, 20.1 megapixel stacked CMOS image sensor, which gathers a lot more light than the tiny sensor on your phone, and it can shoot 4K at up to 30 frames per second. There's also a pop-up electronic viewfinder for bright occasions when you can't see the screen and a pop-up flash for dark scenes when you can't see your subject. Extra important for vloggers, the 3-inch touchscreen on the back can flip up 180 degrees, making it easy to keep your pretty face in the frame. It records a lot of ambient noise, so you'll notice a real difference if you upgrade to a quality external mic. Mark VII's best feature is its incredible autofocus capabilities, including Sony's best-in-class IAF, which even works in video mode. Number 4. Nikon Z FCDX. The Nikon Z FCDX features a classic, tactile design fused with modern Z-series technology. It is equipped with a flip-out vlogger screen, and this DX format 4K UHD compact camera delivers big image quality for photos and videos. This kit includes a classically designed special edition Nikon Z 28mm f/2.8 lens. The ultra-compact, fast-prime full-frame lens is a 42mm equivalent on the ZFC. This model swaps out 135 film cartridges in favor of an APS-C digital sensor and an optical viewfinder for an electronic one. But a few touches harken back to the film era, such as the multicolor markings on the shutter dial and a small LCD that shows the f-stop in the typical place of a frame counter. It's a good pick for creators who particularly like its aesthetics or prefer small primes for landscape and documentary work. Number 5. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is a powerful new GP2 engine that changes the game's snappy performance and responsive touch controls and doubles the frame rate for amazingly smooth footage. It is designed specifically for the demanding nature of GoPro. Upgraded to incredible 23MP photos and 5.3K video resolution at 60 frames per second, Hero 10 offers double the frame rate for amazingly smooth motion. Plus, there's 8x slow mo at 2.7K, and you can pause videos and grab 15.8MP still photos from 5.3K video that look amazing. Hypersmooth has never been smoother, and dialing the best stabilization is easy. Transferring photos and videos from your cloud-connected GoPro to your phone is simple and versatile, with your choice of an effortless wireless upload via the Quick app or a lightning-fast wired connection via USB. There's also unlimited cloud storage with hassle-free auto-upload. Just plug in your camera when connected to your home Wi-Fi, and the camera does the rest. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.